Hello everyone, this is Dr. Anuradha Shaha from Just Try. We are going to start the first video over here, that is accountancy versus bookkeeping. So what is accountancy and what is bookkeeping? We're going to study in this particular video. So please stay tuned till the end and let us know about how you are liking this video through the comment box. Okay, so let's start with the topic accountancy and bookkeeping, or accounting and bookkeeping. So first, we will be discussing about bookkeeping. So if we have to talk about bookkeeping, we can say the definition of bookkeeping is the art of correct by recording in the books of accounts all those business transactions that result in the transfer of money or money's worth. That means bookkeeping is just a basic recording in the books of accounts where the business transactions are recorded which involve monetary transactions. Now, detail of all the words will be described in the following videos that will come one after the other in this channel. This is just an overview of what is bookkeeping and accounting in this video. So next, we have accounting. So accounting means the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants Committee defines accounting as the art of recording, classifying, summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money, transactions, and events which are in part at least a financial character and interpreting the results thereof. So that means what? Recording, classifying, summarizing in a significant manner, especially chronologically. That means what? Everything, whatever is happening in a business will be recorded and classified, and it will be summarized in such a manner that it is understood and can interpret the results. So interpreting results is a very important criteria in accountancy, but bookkeeping doesn't have that. So primarily, what can we say? Bookkeeping basically is the initial part of accounting, and accounting concerns of the entire part, that is both bookkeeping and the other subsequent summarizing and analysis of the financial data that has already been recorded through the bookkeeping process, and finally interpreting it. So that is the difference between bookkeeping and accounting. But basically, bookkeeping is a very initial thing, and accounting is just the next step of bookkeeping. So bookkeeping is a small part of accounting. Accounting, as the term suggests, is of a bigger nature, or a bigger turn. So who does accounting? Accounting is done by an accountant. And who does bookkeeping? Bookkeeper does the bookkeeping part. Now, we are going to look into the difference between bookkeeping and accounting. So let's go. The first, we have about 8 to 9 differences recorded over here. These will cover mainly all your differences. So first, by definition, if we have to define bookkeeping and accountancy, if you have to differentiate them, bookkeeping is mainly related to identification and measuring and recording, and accountancy is summarizing, interpreting, and communicating the financial transactions which were classified into a ledger account. That means bookkeeping is the initial part, and accountancy is the interpretation, summarizing and interpretation part. Next difference through scope. Bookkeeping has a narrow scope, while accountancy has a broader scope because it is including it is including bookkeeping, while bookkeeping is just the initial part of accounting. Now, differences in terms of decision making. Bookkeeping means management can't take a decision based on the data provided by the bookkeepers, but depending on the data provided by the accountants, the management can take crucial business decisions because it is having detailed knowledge, it is having detail of all the financial transactions written and summarized in a understandable form. Next objective, bookkeeping is to keep the records of the financial transactions in a proper and a systematic manner, while accountancy is to gauge the financial situation and further communicate the information to the relevant authorities. So, bookkeeping's objective is just recording, once again, and accountancy says that it's gauging the financial situation and further communicating the information to the relevant authorities. Now, bookkeeping and accountancy's difference in related to preparation of financial statements. Bookkeeping is not a part of this process, while accountancy it is prepared during the accounting process. For skills required, bookkeeping doesn't require any special skill set, but accountancy requires a special skill set due to its analytical and complex nature. Analysis. Bookkeeping doesn't require any analysis, but accounting requires analysis because it has interpretation of data and then compiles into reports. Now, nature of job. Bookkeeping is a clerical job, clerical in nature, and accounting is professional in nature. Bookkeeping and accountancy, to sum up, accounting and bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is the very initial part, it's a small subset of the entire set of accounting. So, bookkeeping is only recording the economic events, while accounting is a broader part where identification, recording, and communicating of the economic events are done in case of accounting. So, I hope you all have understood what I wanted to say through this entire PPT and through the entire video, that bookkeeping is a subset of accounting. This is basically a part of accounting. I hope all of you have got enough data for what is accountancy and what is bookkeeping and the differences between them. And so, whatever else doubts you're having about this topic, please let me know through the comment box. And please, if you like the video, please press the like option. Please share the video so that more of your friends get this video, and also subscribe for the channel so that you can understand whenever I upload the next video related to accountancy in this particular channel. So please stay tuned and subscribe the channel. Thank you.